What if you could give your clients a financial roadmap after bankruptcy? After bankruptcy, many clients face the same challenge. They know they have income, they know they have expenses, but they lack a clear financial strategy. This is where many fall short, often leading them back into financial trouble. Bankruptcy may clear their debt, but it doesn't teach them how to rebuild financial health. This is where you, as a bankruptcy attorney, can make a huge difference. Introducing MoneyMate, the ultimate financial planning tool. It helps your clients manage their cash flow, create financial plans, and develop strategies to stay on top of their finances. Imagine offering your clients a referral to MoneyMate once their bankruptcy is complete. You'd be helping them take that vital next step to avoid future financial distress. And here's the best part. As a MoneyMate affiliate partner, you earn $1 each month for every client you refer. Just share your unique link and watch them build a financially secure future. This partnership not only ensures long-term success for your clients, but also builds trust and loyalty, knowing you've supported them holistically. Becoming a MoneyMate affiliate is easy, and it's a win-win for everyone involved. Join today and help people move forward from bankruptcy with confidence. Contact us to get started.